Today I'm going to show you how to make a pig using a handprint. For this craft you will need paper. Any kind of paper will do. You'll need a pencil and a marker. You'll also need a pair of scissors and glue stick. First things first, trace the shape of your hand on one half of the paper. Close off the open part of your handprint. Now, since my fingers are a bit long for pig legs, I will shorten them, but you probably won't need to do this. Next, add in details for your pig's body, such as a tail and hooves. Once you're done with the body, it's time to draw the head. Draw a circle on the empty half of your paper. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Then, add on details such as ears, a nose, some eyes, or anything else you feel like adding. Maybe your pig wears a hat. It's all up to you. When you're happy with how your drawing looks, you can outline in a black marker. Of course, this step is optional. Feel free to skip it if you'd like. Now it's time to color our pig. Use whatever coloring material you have at home. Markers, crayons, paint, whatever you'd like. Once you've finished coloring, cut out your pig. If you'd like, cut triangles out of the feet to make them look more like hooves. Use glue or tape to fasten the head of the pig to the thumb part of your hand. Now you have your very own pig handprint.